Edge lighting in Samsung phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to settings, then go to notification. After that, go to brief pop-up settings. And from here, you will see the option Edge lighting style. Go there and you will be able to select several options from here. Like this. You can also change transparency, duration, effect like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.